Hello, if you are a fan of wireless charging and if your phone do not support wireless charging, then this video is for you. So for the demonstration, I'm going to use OnePlus 7, which doesn't has any kind of wireless charging. And I'm just going to convert this phone into a wireless charging phone. In order to make your phone charge wirelessly, you need to have the wireless charging receiver inside your phone, and only then it supports the wireless charging. So now the way we are going to do it is by adding a wireless receiver or a charging receiver to the phone. Now this unit comes for just like 200 to 300 bucks depending upon which website you purchase them. I have left some links below, and just have to connect it to the charging point of your phone. It's slim, and this is a Type-C one. You also get a USB 2.0 and you also get a lightning cable one. But yes, most of the iPhones, they do come with wireless charging. Now if you see, this is like, they see 5 volt 1 ampere charging voltage, and that's the input, and the charging voltage is going to be somewhere around 5 volt 800 milliamps. It has a USB Type-C, and it is slim. If you can see this, it's slim like a paper. It's just 1 mm. So either you can stick it to the back of the phone or you can insert it within the phone cover. So I'm just going to convert my OnePlus 7, which doesn't charge. You can see this. It shows a red indicator because it doesn't charge. And if I take a phone with the wireless transmission, it shows blue, which means it's charging. So I'm just going to convert this phone. So let me just open it up. Okay, so I'm going to stick this USB-C into the charging port of the phone. Here it goes. And you can see the receiver is really a slim one, which you can either stick to the back of the phone or you can just add a cover to the phone, which is going to work. So in this case, I'm just going to add a cover. Okay. So you can see this. My phone doesn't look bulky, or it has, it's so slim that it just fits inside the cover easily. So let me try to charge the phone now. You can see the blue indicator as well as it's charging now. Okay, now without cover, it started charging, and I just take this off and keep the phone over here. It's not charging, it turned red. So yes, you can convert any phone into a wireless charging phone by using this small charging receiver, which is available on almost all websites like Amazon, Flipkart. And yes, I've left some link below. Again, it's very cheap and very simple way to convert any non-wireless phone into wireless charging phone. Thank you very much. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe to the channel.